So I got invited to a baby shower this weekend, and I have this cute little jumpsuit. I don't have any jewelry to wear with it, so I thought I'd make something. I wanted to show you my design. This is mother of pearl, and then I'm going to add the little flower leaf on the top. So I'm going to show you how to make this. Okay, let's get started. The gemstone chips that I'll be using: strawberry quartz, amethyst, and Ametrine. I'm going to use mother of pearl because I want the pearl to be symmetrical. So we're going to use 2 of those. So first what we're going to do is take our mother of pearl. We're going to use a 2-inch head pin, put it through, chain nose pliers, bend it backwards, come in with our round nose pliers. I mark my pliers with a red Sharpie because I want them to be the same size loops. Then I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate the pliers, and bring the wire to the back. And I'm going to hold it here just for a minute and do the other side. Now what I'm going to work on are these pieces of wire here. These are just 22 gauge gold tone wire. I'm going to come down about 2.5 centimeters. And I'm going to wire wrap this end. Bring it to the back, use my round nose pliers, find the mark, come up, over, down, rotate, and bring it to the back. Now I'm going to hang on to the loop that I just made. I'm going to use my bent chain nose pliers, and I'm going to wire wrap around it. I'm going to do that 2 times, straighten my wire out. And now I'm going to cut this little part off. And we need to push down this little burr. I did one side, and now I'm going to do this side. We're just going to stack the gemstones. Okay, so we've got a wrap loop on one side, the gemstones in the middle, and then we have to make a wrap loop up at the top. So we're going to do it the same way as we did the bottom. We're going to get our chain nose pliers, bend it to the back, come in with our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate the pliers, and bring the wire to the back. Now what we have to do is look at this to find out if this hoop opens or if it's stationary. It looks like it's soldered onto the leaf. So we can't open that. So what we have to do is we have to take this and push it through here. So I'm going to open this up. And then close it back up. Okay, I'm going to hang on to that. Use my bent chain nose pliers and wire wrap around. Looks like I can go 3 times on this one. I'm going to straighten this out a little. There. Okay, now I'm going to cut off the excess. Push down the burr, and then I'm going to do the other side. So what we need to do is wire wrap this pearl to the end of this. So we're going to take the loop, open it up, slip this on. We're going to pinch down the loop and wire wrap in the middle. Use our bent chain nose pliers. And we can probably do this about 3 times. We're going to cut off the excess and pinch it down. Okay, so we have one side done. I've got my backings to put on. And there we have our beautiful gemstone mother of pearl earring.